Hello friends. Last week I uploaded a clip about chicken jerky, but I didn't show you exactly how I prepare it from the first time. So I am making another batch today. So I have this, I have 3 chicken breasts, and I will cut them up to be ready for the chicken jerky. So you can cut any way you want it. You can make sure to remove all the fat that you see before you cook them. Well, not really cooking, dehydrate them. So I slice this as thin as I can get it. So it's about even thinner than 1/8 of an inch. Very thin. If you want to be easier to cut, you put the meat in the freezer for about 15 minutes, so it became a little solid. Make it easy to cut. But I am fine in this way. I put my finger to press it down to keep the knife straight. Without looking, I'm just feeling it. See, it's very, very thin. My dishwashing machine is beeping and I don't like it. If I cut it this way in the cross grain, is easier for Bryson, my dog, to chew. It breaks easily. But as I said, you can cut it any way you want it. This white stuff, I'm removing it. So this is how I slice my chicken when making chicken jerky. As thin as possible. Most people make it to like 1/4 of an inch. I don't like that. It's so thick. I also have a thin slice of beef here. This is the kind that you can buy for grilling. It's already thin, so I'm just gonna cut it in half. Just that. And if I have enough room in my dehydrator, I will cook this in the same batch. So I am just preparing in case I have room, so I can just cook. So this is my dehydrator. I have 5 layers. So I will fill this one layer. Let me wipe off this residue from the last chicken jerky. So I'm just gonna spread this evenly. If you can avoid not touching it. So I have done sitting that is touching is okay. You just need to break them apart when it's done, because they're all gonna stick to one piece. So that's that, one layer. Continue. You can add any spice you want. I don't add this because I mainly make this for my dog. I don't eat it. I mean, very little. For me, my dog enjoy it more than I do. Yes, I have room for the beef. So that. This is for my beef. I pat dry them with paper towel. Make sure it's not dripping. I will squeeze this into one. Perfect. And I put the cover. See, turn it on. 165 Fahrenheit. It takes 8 hours. So I'm just gonna leave this in here. Don't touch it. It will just shut off when it reaches to 8 hours. So that is how I make my chicken jerky or beef jerky. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Oh, hello everybody. My chicken and beef jerky, it is done. So 8 hours passed. Here is the beef. Nice. Just enough. There's the chicken. Crispy. This chicken, it was 3 pieces of a breast. This is the last one. And all these 3, it can be washed in the dishwashing machine. Here it is. My chicken jerky, and there is the beef. You should try to make it. It's not that hard. It's not time consuming, because you can, once you turn the dehydrator on, you can just go ahead and do whatever you want to do. When it's done, you will just turn off. It's automatic. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. So this is the finished jerky I made. This is the chicken breast, and the dark one is the beef. I hope you try making this. It's not that hard. If you don't have a dehydrator, you can use the oven in really low setting. But you need to watch them. It's not like the dehydrator has an automatic shut off when it's done.